Hello, we are discussing GATE 2006 ECE paper and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. This is third 2-mark question came in GATE 2006. Find the correct match between group 1 and group 2. Group 1 consisting of varactor diode, pin diode, Zener diode, Schottky diode. Group 2 consisting of voltage reference, high frequency switch, tuned circuits, current control attenuator. That is, group 1 consisting of various types of diodes, group 2 are nothing but applications of those diodes. You must match group 1 and group 2. These are the following options A, B, C, D. Look at those options. The correct answer for this question is C, E3, F4, G1, H2. We can easily check this one because we know standard applications for the Zener diode is which can act as voltage regulator. So voltage reference is used for the Zener diode. Next, varactor diode is nothing but simply a PN junction which act as capacitor under reverse bias that will be used in tuned circuits. Okay, varactor diode is nothing but simple PN junction which is going to be acting as variable capacitor under reverse bias, so that is going to be called as varactor diode. It is used in the tuned circuits. Next one, Schottky diode. Schottky diode is metal semiconductor diode whose cut-in voltage is around 0.25 volts. Whenever this diode is placed between collector and base of a transistor, the transistor will be treated as Schottky transistor which never goes into saturation because of VCB is equal to 0.25, which is nothing but cut-in voltage of Schottky diode. So which never goes into saturation means the transistor act as switch and switching between cutoff and active regions only, so that by that time it is going to be operating in high speed. So this will be used across high frequency switches. Pin diode. Pin diode application is current control attenuator, which is the last one. The remaining is nothing but for pin diode. So pin diode is nothing but current controlled attenuator. So the correct answer is C. E3 varactor diode is in tuned circuits. F4 pin diode current controlled attenuator. G1 Zener diode voltage reference. H2 Schottky diode high frequency switch. Thank you.